Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is May the 7th, 2021. You can tell already, look at our price chart. We're going to talk about Cardano real quick. We're going to give you all our expectations as to where the market is going to go. You guys can already tell we expected it to break out of this trading channel, which it has done precisely that. We're going to get in position to tell you all we're expecting the market to go into the future so we can have a heads up in the market so that we can win and get ahead of everyone else in this cryptocurrency space, right? This is why we're here on this particular platform, is to make sure that you have someone in your corner that is giving you all the expectations as to where prices are going to go. We're not going to speak out of both sides of our mouths telling you that, hey, the market can go higher. Oh, as well, the market can go lower. Like, there's a lot of videos already in this spectrum that speaks out of both sides of their mouth. We're going to give you a biased direction on the price chart in relation to where we think the price is going to go, right? We're not going to speak out of both sides of our mouths. If we see Cardano going higher in price, we will tell you that. If we see the market in Cardano have a chance to dip in price, we will tell you that as well. You know, we're going to give you the truth about what is being listed on the price chart. Okay, so let's do this real quick. If today's your first time ever viewing our content, make sure before you head out, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and come back again and again, because the key to winning into the market is having a competitive advantage as to getting in position before anyone else even sees the price getting there, right? So you want to come back continually to make sure that if anything changes, you know, you'll be provided an update on our videos and whenever we upload them to this platform. All right, so now let's break down our last video that we did for ADA, which was on May the 4th. So we've had this prediction in the market in Cardano going on for like 6 days. Okay, we did an update on May the 4th with the premise and expectations to see this market continue to go higher in price, right? And it exceeded that the following day of when we did our video, May the 5th. The market came in and closed towards our ultimate TP price, which garnered us about 10% profitability. Now, let's say you're still into the market right now and you wanted to get out your position. That is still 27% right there. If we were to get out right now, we'll be up 27% from when we did our first prediction back here on the 1st of May, right there. So we were already waiting on the whole market to finally get to that particular price. This is how you're able to predict, you profit and you win when you expect prices to go a certain area, to go a certain location. And it has done that. So I want to say congratulations to each and every one of you for catching that move. 27% is fantastic. 10% is fantastic. Profitability in any sense of the word is fantastic. So I want to give kudos and congratulations to all of you who is catching these trends, who is able to call the markets in the right direction. This is what it is all about. So great news for each and every one of you. So now let's take a zoom out look at this chart in Cardano, because you can tell that we were looking at the market in Cardano. We've been seeing it bounce in and between our two areas of lines. And now guess what? We finally made a choice. The trap actually made a decision over the last 2 or 3 days as to what direction he wants to take this price. So we now are under the mind frame that Cardano is still in a bullish trend. The market is still strong. Don't let no one else come in and tell you anything otherwise, because he has told us already by the breakage of that price above that restriction area. So now going forward, this is how we need to look at the market. Going forward, $1.50 needs to be maintained as support. Okay, since we broke that to the upside, in any movement to the downside from here on out, the market needs to hold $1.50. Okay, so we're going to continue to play that line. The market line here is still vital and important, because you would expect at some point in time that the market will come back down and test it to see if it can get more inducement and more people to come in and try to prop up the price in ADA at $1.50. So we're not going to be fooled. We're going to continue to watch that $1.50 area to see if it's going to be held as support. Next thing, this is the trend into the market in Cardano. Okay, now how do we know that this is still the upward momentum in the market for Cardano? Because we got confirmation right there. Okay, the market confirmed the trend right there on April the 23rd. Okay, this is where the market confirmed that it wants to continue to prop up the price. So now we're still in an uptrend. The market broke out of that trading channel to the upside. All of that signifies that the market is still healthy in terms of it wanting to go higher in price. Okay, so now we got that. Let's look at this market in Cardano on a 3-day time frame. Market looks decent. We already came a little bit lower to the downside in the market in Cardano on this current 3-day price bar, which is good to see that it is able to maintain its price. 2-day time frame, the market looks well here. 5-day time frame, the market is still looking healthy in the sense of Cardano. All right, so I mean, it's not too much really to express here, except the fact that we need to be watchful of $1.50. Market breaks $1.50 back down, then we're going to come back into the consolidation range, and you would expect us to trade sideways, right? So now, what do you all expect to see in the market in Cardano? You tell me. Drop the comment in the comment section and let me know, where do you all expect to see the market price for Cardano? Okay. So take a look at this on the 13-hour time frame. The volume has been extreme. So I want you all to see how extreme that volume was over the last 13-hour price bar. It took a lot of energy to see this market break that $1.50 area. It did. The market has consumed up a lot of weakness. A lot of the people who was selling their ADA into the market was bought out. Like, it didn't have any negative impact on the price in ADA. So yeah, we're still going to play the strength into the market in ADA, but given the fact that there's nowhere in the background that we can utilize here in ADA, okay, we would have to just TP the market anywhere in our green area. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that on real quick. So I want you all to tell me in the comment section, where do you all think the market high is going to be in Cardano over the next 3 days? Okay, where do you think we're going to go? $2? That's a nice psychological area, and a lot of people may actually play on the market in Cardano going towards $2, right? And that's about 17.25% away from where the market currently is at. But yeah, a lot has changed in the sense that we have broken out this trading range, and the market has enough momentum based off this long-term consolidational trading range. Let me circle it for you. Based off all this energy that was built up in Cardano, it definitely has, enough energy to hit $1.90, $2, over the next couple of weeks in the market in Cardano. It's just that simple. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Cardano, and especially if we do come down to the downside and the market still holds support at $1.50, that's even better. That would even confirm that this market has legs and that it's going to continue to go higher in price. So yeah, we're going to play the strength into the market in Cardano. Let me bring this in just a tad, and then we'll see what the market has done over the next 3 days when we come back and do our update and see if we need to keep this prediction ongoing. Do we need to get rid of it? But my eyes, it's going to be focused in on right there around $1.50 and see if the market grabs support there. All right, so now it's your turn. Call the market right alongside with me. Tell me, where do you think the market in Cardano is going to go? And this is the main reason, why Cardano broke out of that trading range. Is because the demand actually came through and people want to purchase it. It's just that simple. There's plenty of articles being revealed out there that is trying to stipulate and give you reason as to why Cardano broke out to the upside Is it because of the Africa deal that they're doing with Ethiopia? Or is it of a new protocol or a soft fork or hard fork that is coming through relatively soon? It's none of that. It's just when people want to purchase something, they'll pay any price for it. When there's demand, people will come in and purchase it. Just that simple. So tell me, what do you all think about Cardano and where the price is going to go? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.